Okay. Then after this, how do you run the folder? Yeah, very good. Delete away mem also. Oh. Yes, very good, very good. So you can do it.
Very good.
Guys, after this, right, I'm going to show your folder structures. I hope that you all can follow the same. Any one of you using your own your own laptop, look at your SQL, your phpMyAdmin, right? If you realize that your database, when you have more than one, right, your database combined into one, that's when you screw up already. You will have a problem already. If you have that issue, please let me know also. No. Change your password first. Or use a simple one. Can. Then confirm use of which password. Like that.
You can change like your previous.
Never. Login. Okay, very good. So she has completed the install. Thank you very much. Okay. Call the next person to come. Next person. I don't know. Go. The one there just now who said don't understand one. Come. What's your name?
Computer.
Yeah, you. What's your name?
Never do anything.
Kelly. Come, Kelly.
Do anything. Like your WordPress.
No, I'm serious.
Don't say anything. Ask him.
So Kelly, she has managed to install WordPress. Is this my website?
I don't think so.
So how do I see my website? Very good. How do I see my website? Very good. Okay, maybe see you hold to command, you press up, so it opens as a new tab. Okay. So this is my website. Haven't finished. Sit down. Can you do me a favor? Because this is the default WordPress site, right? So when I port over, everyone will say that it is the same thing, right? So I want you to change the title for me. Can you change it to something? Anything that you want. The hello world, change it.
I don't know that.
Huh? You don't know?
Wait.
It's done. You can sit here first. Do I have any more chairs?
No.
I need one more chair. Oh, there's one more chair. Okay. Yeah, you can take. Okay. I don't know. Let's see. WordPress visit site. Hi, I'm good. Okay. So Kelly, right? That's the name. Okay. Kelly managed. Okay, you can go back. Thank you. So for someone who don't understand, she manages to change it. Very good. Now my question to you all is this. You all learned how to do this all on your own. We never went through how to edit certain things. So that is one way. What Kelly has done, right, is one way of editing it. But what I want you all to know is, where can I find that particular post using this? Okay? So WordPress is organized into posts and pages. So for that thing, it's under posts. It's here. Do you all see the hi, I'm Groot? Click on edit. And here you can change it. update, go back here, refresh. Alright, so it's working already. Okay? So that's WordPress. Okay, the next part is quite important. Please look at my screen. Huh?哟，哎，那个 login for 那台 CET 的，
哦，原来是他自己的
try
OK 咩？
啊，
哪一台？
okay, last, you look at this. When I want to create another WordPress site, can I duplicate this WordPress? Since I haven't done anything much here, don't. Please re-download. You know why? Because why you cannot duplicate this is because of this config file. Okay? When we run the installation of a WordPress site, we have already edited the config file. You all never edit lah. WordPress installation did it for you, which is why we cannot duplicate this WordPress. We need to re-download. So go back to here. Download WordPress. Download again. Yes.
If we already have the file downloaded, do we just keep re-extracting?
Can. Yes, you can do that. You can keep re-extracting. That means you keep the folder one side up. Then every time keep using back can. Okay. Now, look at this. I have my WordPress here, right? I cannot drag it in now because if I do, it will be replaced. Okay, guys, take note. These HT docs will be filled with 80 WordPress sites. This computer. Because when all of you submit individually, right, it will be filled with 80. The number of persons, correct? So what happens when you call WordPress, he call WordPress, you submit, right? One of your site will get deleted. Deleted, overwritten. So what I'm going to do now is I will show you the naming convention that we are going to use. If you all have done it already, don't worry. We still can tweak it. If you have existing new site that you have done, we can tweak it. Alright? So we'll call it A1 underscore your name. Just like that. Okay? Hey, hang on. I think it's even better if we can. Okay, Dylan. I just realized one problem. You and him have the same name.
Yeah.
So if both of you decide to use the name Dylan, there's going to be a problem. So let's add an index number in front. Okay? The number in front will be your index number. Index number A1, your name. You can choose whatever you want. Okay. Okay. Database, same thing, huh? Okay. Now I'm going to do the installation, huh? Okay, guys, this part here, pay close attention. When you're running the installation for WordPress, please remember to use the username as root and the password as root. Okay? Do not set your own name. Why? When we do marking, right, we need to log in to see how you structure your content. Correct? So if you don't give us the password, we cannot go in and check. So I want you all to all use the same password, root. That's it. Okay, next part is here. This email. Is the email important? No. Because you cannot reset password. If you try resetting password on localhost, you will not receive any email to change password. So this email, useless one. You can put any rubbish email. Then you click on install WordPress, log in, root. Okay. Okay. Hey guys, look at this. Now I'm going to show you some basic customization. Alright? You all already know how to change the text. Now, I want to change color. CSS. Where do we do it? On your WordPress dashboard, you will go to Appearance, Themes. Customize the theme. Then you can change your colors. Select a color. You see the color changing? If you do not click on Publish, your changes will not be kept, will not be updated. Okay? Now let's see. So it's now updated now. Okay? The next part is, how am I going to export from here for submission to this computer. Okay? This is the time where I advise you all to do a screen recording or with your phone or what, because there are certain settings, right, that you need to remember. Okay? So, first thing, I'm going to create a new folder on my desktop. Okay, and I'm going to call this my transfer folder. Alright, inside my transfer folder, I need to have two things. One thing is my database file, the other one is my WordPress folder. I need these two items. So let's take it from here, copy, paste. Okay, first thing done. Second thing, I need to export the database. Click on export. Under export, go to custom. Make sure that all your rows and tables are selected. Scroll down. Under output, I want to save to a file. Okay? Next, under object creation options, I want to add drop table. Okay, so I made some changes here, take note. Alright. Then click on go. Okay, now my database is exported. Click and drag it here under transfer. So now I have two items. Okay, this and that. These two items are. Now I'm going to import into this computer. So I will do a transfer, airdrop. Accept. Okay. You all will need to look at my screen already. If you cannot see, please come in front for the import. Okay. Yep. Yes. WP. Are you using WP? You should be using the account WP. If you are not, log out. Okay. So I have my transfer folder here. Inside, I have these two items. Okay. Check. Very importantly, your port. Okay, it's the same port. Good. Now, start my server. Okay. Look for htdocs. In my case, it's under application, mem, htdocs. You can see that we have a few WordPress folders in here already. So all these are individual different WordPress sites. Okay? Now, I'm gonna bring this inside here first. Okay? Next thing, web start. Let's go and import my database. So I will create a new database. Okay? I will follow the name, which is here. Paste, create. Okay, cool. Now I have this here. Okay? Do you all see the import tab there? Click on import. Choose file. It should be under desktop transfer. This one. Open. Okay? No settings required. Just click on go. So now it is importing my database. Okay? So all in already. Next thing, I need to check folder name again, which is this one, localhost. And there we have it. Okay? So what you have just done, right? It's done already. You all can stop recording me. So what you have just done,